Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Can-Am Spyder F3 T. This thing just arrived with only 3,600 miles. Beautiful black paint scheme, really cool on this three-wheel motorcycle. Automatic transmission, cruise control, AM/FM stereo, passenger backrest, shaft drive. This bike is awesome, fun, easy to ride. Come on by, make your Can-Am Spyder dreams come true for just $19,999. We have priced it very low, so it's going to move quickly. Don't wait. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. It's got some cool LEDs up front. Automatic transmission. Just put it in gear and go. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.